Unlock your home's potential. Amazing homemade tricks you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unlocking your home's potential with these amazing homemade tricks you need to know. Tired of spending a fortune on expensive cleaners, repairs, and beauty products? Discover incredible homemade tricks that will save you money, time, and effort. Get ready to unleash your inner DIY guru and transform your home with these simple, effective solutions. Forget harsh chemicals and overpriced cleaners. You can achieve a spotless home with ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Let's dive into some amazing cleaning tricks that are both effective and eco-friendly. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle for an all-purpose cleaner. Add 10-15 drops of your favorite essential oil like tea tree or lemon to mask the vinegar scent. This simple solution tackles grime on countertops, sinks, and more. For streak-free windows, combine 2 parts water and 1 part white vinegar in a spray bottle. A few drops of dish soap, like Dawn, can cut through extra stubborn grime. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to sparkling clean windows. Don't call a handyman for every little repair. With a few clever tricks, you can tackle common household fixes yourself and save a ton of money. Let's explore some easy DIY repair solutions. Achieve perfect paint lines every time with this simple trick. After taping off your pattern, paint along the edges of the tape with the base wall color. This seals the tape and prevents any bleed-through, ensuring crisp, clean lines. Before painting, use a floor duster to remove dust from walls. This ensures a smooth, even paint application and prevents dust from getting trapped in your fresh coat of paint. A clean surface is key to a professional-looking finish. Unleash your green thumb and create a flourishing garden without breaking the bank. These gardening hacks will help you nurture your plants and protect them from pests, all while saving you money. Start your seeds in biodegradable pots made from toilet paper or paper towel tubes. Cut the tubes into 2-inch lengths and fill them with soil. These eco-friendly pots can be planted directly into the ground, reducing transplant shock. Turn a clear plastic storage container into a mini greenhouse. Simply flip the container upside down and drill ventilation holes. This creates a warm, humid environment perfect for starting seeds or protecting delicate seedlings. Become a kitchen whiz with these clever cooking hacks. From peeling garlic in seconds to reviving limp vegetables, these tips will save you time and effort in the kitchen. Peel garlic easily by cutting off the tops of the cloves and microwaving them for 20-30 seconds. The skins will practically fall off. Alternatively, smash a garlic clove with the flat side of a knife for quick and easy peeling. Keep brown sugar soft by placing a few marshmallows in the container. The marshmallows absorb excess moisture, preventing the sugar from hardening into a solid brick. Say goodbye to rock-hard brown sugar. Pamper yourself with these homemade beauty solutions that are gentle, effective, and affordable. Ditch the expensive creams and lotions and embrace the power of natural ingredients. Create a moisturizing and brightening face mask by combining aloe vera gel with honey, lemon, or cucumber. Aloe vera soothes and hydrates the skin, while honey and lemon add a touch of radiance. Customize your mask to suit your skin's needs. For a clarifying face mask, combine ground oats and apple cider vinegar. Oats gently exfoliate and soothe the skin, while apple cider vinegar helps to balance pH levels and reduce blemishes. This mask is perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. Streamline your life with these clever life hacks that will save you time, money, and stress. From organizing your home to making everyday tasks easier, These tips will transform your daily routine. Use adhesive strips on the back of picture frames to keep them straight. No more crooked artwork. These strips provide a secure hold and prevent your frames from shifting. Add 1/2 to 1 cup of white vinegar to your laundry to neutralize odors, remove mildew, and act as a natural fabric softener. Vinegar is a versatile laundry booster that leaves your clothes fresh and clean. Always test homemade solutions in a small, inconspicuous area first, especially on delicate surfaces or skin. This ensures that the solution doesn't cause any damage or irritation. Safety first. Are you inspired to try these amazing homemade tricks? Start today and unlock your home's potential. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite hack and share this video with your friends and family. Let's create a community of resourceful, budget-conscious homeowners who love to DIY.